Coming to you from my home studio in Sun City, Arizona. And today I've got the Roland FR4X Dale Mathis edition, and I'm using this video to answer some questions from some of my customers about making sound combinations, especially if you've seen some of my 8X videos where I make all kinds of incredible sound combinations, but that is a different instrument. That has two orchestral banks on it, and so you can make combinations of orchestral sounds and change the channeling on them for stereo voicing, and you can make more combinations also. You can combine orchestra and organ and accordion, where you cannot do that on the 4X. So the 4X doesn't have as many possibilities, but I do want to show you what you can do. First of all, if you have a Dale Mathis edition accordion, a lot of this has been done for you already. So in that video that you just saw, this little song, you saw many of the combinations that I have done in my first 3 banks, and there are more in the other banks of user programs. So just to go over that a little bit, let's bring the camera down and just point it out to you. So just turn the accordion on. Okay, and of course that's the Dale Mathis turn on master sound. And so now I'm going to go to use a program, and I'm going to go to bank 3 right away because there's a lot of combinations there. So hit bank 3 and hit register 1. And so what happens is when you hit that, you immediately see that the accordion light and the orchestra light, they're both on. So that means that you've got an accordion sound and an orchestra sound already programmed for you. So let's hear what they are. So here's the accordion sound. And here's the orchestra sound. Okay, so why I have combined them is to support the trumpet sound, give it more power. And I especially had to go through a lot of accordion sounds to find something that was similar to trumpet, but it would support the trumpet. So that is a terrific example. And then I'm going to go to bank 2, and I'm going to pick register 8. And in that one, again, you see both of these lights are on, the accordion and the orchestra. So let's hear the orchestra first. So we've got the strings, and they're playing through the left channel. And now when I turn on the accordion, you hear you've got this soft bassoon bandoneon type sound. And it's there to support the strings. So when I hit the register again, both of those lights are going to come on. I made that combination to give the melody more definition. So if I have just the orchestra strings, but when I add the accordion, and again, I don't know if that's coming across in the video, but in the room you can hear that, especially if you're doing faster passages, the strings have a very slow attack, where the accordion has a faster attack. So that permits you to do faster passages and still have clarity. Okay, so that's just a couple of examples that I wanted to point out. Now the other thing about making these sound combinations that maybe you do or don't know, but I'm going to take this particular setup to use it. I'm going to turn off the user program, and I'm going to hit the orchestra light just so that those strings always play. And now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to hold that orchestra button and then press the accordion button. So it's like boink, like that. And so now I've got both sounds playing, but what this technique just allowed me to do is to use any of the accordion sounds because I hit the accordion button last. So that's the one that's active. So what that allows me to do is have the strings playing constantly, but change the orchestra sounds. So that's another great thing that you can do. So now let's do one more thing, and I'm actually going to go to one of the Dale Mathis sets. So I'm going to use the set button here, and I'm going to go back down to set number 95, And there's a bunch of orchestral sounds on that one, so. So I'm going to take like that oboe sound, and now I'm going to look for an accordion sound that might complement it. So let's go through the accordion sounds. Right, so I'm just going to take that one and see how it sounds. So that was register number 7 in the accordion. So here's the orchestra number 7. Now let's combine them. So those kind of combinations are quite useful. You can on the 4X, you can also combine the organ. Let's see what's here. Right, I'm just going to take that one. That's the register number 1. And you can combine that with accordion sounds. Here was the accordion sound. Let's just see what it sounds like. So you might find that useful. So anyhow, a lot of information here, and I hope that you can pick up a few of the things that I just pointed out and that you'll find this useful. And at Craft Music in Milwaukee, they are my official supplier of Dale Mathis Edition accordions. No other place, no other planet, no other universe. Only Craft Music in Milwaukee. And we have the 1X models, the 4X models, and the 8X models all in stock. And of course, when you get one from Craft, the Dale Mathis programming is included, which is worth billions of dollars. Yes, and what's worth trillions of dollars is Dale Mathis after-purchase support. You can't get it anywhere else other than if you purchased your accordion from Craft Music in Milwaukee. So thanks so much for watching today. I hope you've learned a thing or two, and we'll see you again next time.
Thank